success in terms of facts and figures is oyster farming is a high cash flow business, a high turnover business. The more oysters you do, obviously the more money you make. It's quite rewarding to see your product go and then 14 to 30 days you've got that money in there, and it's a really good feeling. At the end of the day, I like to see where I've been. This is what we've done. We've moved these oysters, or we've sold these oysters. We've got this stock ready for the next part of the process. Oh, I love doing it, yeah. I had 28 years in the family sawmilling and timber business before coming oyster farming, so it was pretty much a breath of fresh air. The lifestyle's great, but you've got to be able to support that by having a good, viable business, and I think I've done that, so I'm quite proud of it, yeah.